Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Taro and Tea channel. So I got my first subscription box, the House of Rituals box, and I figured I'd do an unboxing. So I forgot to clarify that I got the mini rituals box. I didn't get the full one. So the mini one has a few out of the multiple items that it has, and I actually didn't expect to get this much. And so pretty at that. This is really, really cool. So there's a letter in here. Rebirthing and setting boundaries. So the boxes come with all these different tools, and I find it so cool that they package these kind of things. I've really liked subscription boxes, but I'm glad that I actually went ahead and got one. So I'm looking forward to digging into this, and I'll show you guys exactly what I got. So what was included in this month's mini House of Rituals box was a vial of ritual herbs that contains passion fruit flower, hawthorn berries, lady's mantle, and mugwort. It also included a blue candle, a crystal egg and stand, which I looked up to try and figure out which crystal it was, because it doesn't explicitly say on the ritual page that comes included, and it looks like it was just random selection. And this looks very close in similarity to my moonstone, so I will go with that. That it's moonstone. I'll do more research on it. I also got a Palo Santa stick and seashell for smudging, some Queen Anne's lace seeds, and then a ritual grimoire page for Ostara. So you're supposed to use all of these different tools all together for an Ostara ritual. So I will do that this evening, most likely. But I found it was really cool. I like having magical witchy things coming in the mail. It did also come with a very beautiful silk gold bag and a canvas bag with a tree on it, which the silk bag is big enough that it could definitely fit, like, for example, the original print of the Enchanted World Taro. It could fit in there very easily. And the other one could definitely fit some runes, or carrying around crystals every day, so I will be using those as well. And part of the ritual is to plant the Queen Anne's lace seeds, so I'm excited for that. I will get the ritual going once I actually have another pot to put all my plants in, which I'll give you guys an update about as well, because my raspberries are thriving now. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this unboxing video. You'll see another one as the months go by, considering every month they send out new boxes between the 15th and the 22nd. So I'll be receiving April's box at the end of this month. So let me know in the comments below if you like these kinds of videos. Definitely support the Tamed Wild. I put the link right here. It's shoptamedwild.com. Definitely subscribe. They have a crystals box. They actually have herb decks and crystal decks, and it's really super cool. So I'm all for supporting fellow witchy entrepreneurs, and they're doing absolutely wonderful. So follow their Instagram, go on their Facebook. It's absolutely awesome. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and thanks for watching.